Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Here's a video on our visit to Global Village, Dubai. We visited Global Village back in December when our dad was here. We have reached Global Village and here at the entrance we have these small vehicles which help in transport up to the main entrance. As we enter, you can see they have the thermal scanning system as per COVID regulations. And we are here to buy the tickets now. The tickets costed us AED 15 each and Kia entered for free. And so here we enter. In Global Village, you get to see the food, the culture, the tradition, the famous places of different countries of the world. Different countries of the world are all shown under one roof. So here as we enter, we can see the Statue of Liberty. Burj Khalifa. We also saw Baskin Robbins and a supermarket inside. You can see how beautiful this place looks. We were passing through Turkey and we got to see how they serve this Turkish ice cream. They serve it in a very different way and it's nice to see this. Got to see these beautiful lights which would look great for a home decor. All the items sold inside these countries would be similar to the items which we would buy in case we visit those particular countries. I came to know this when we visited India. The items we got to see in the Indian stall here were similar to those which we would see in Indian exhibitions. This was Pakistan. You can see how beautifully they have recreated it. Near the ice cream counter, got to capture this beautiful quote. passing through UAE. Got to see this Dubai frame. Also, they have free Wi-Fi here. One of the best parts of visiting this place was trying out the Arabic sweet dish lukemat. This is a must try when you visit here. Lukemat is an Arabic sweet dish where dough is deep fried and served with the sweet syrup on top of it. It was so nice to see how this delicious dish is made, so wanted to show you all the same. Here you get to see how it's served. The fried balls are taken in a plate and served with the sweet syrup. It is as delicious as it looks. Here you can see from the start how it's made. Finally, we have ours and my dad trying them out. We loved it and we finished it in no time. Once we had lukemat, we continued to the next. You can see how beautifully these trees are decorated with lights. I'm not sure if they are real or artificial. There was a box office here. There are many stalls where you can eat here. Got to capture Europe. We weren't able to visit all the countries as visiting all of them takes a lot of time and it was already late evening by the time we reached there. So if you want to visit all of them, I suppose they start at 4 p.m. So you need to be there by 4 p.m. and you can visit all of them one by one. Though it's time consuming, it's nice to see. Here there was a stage performance going on. Many people gathered here. We stopped for a while to see the performance, showing you all the same. The stage performance was near America. Here's another dish we tried and loved, were the tornado potatoes or spiral potato fries. We tried them in 2 different flavors and they are always a favorite. You can see Kia also loving them and messing up all around. Here they had a Ripley's Believe It or Not. So here you can see Syria, Afghanistan, Palestine, Kia wanted balloons for herself, so all of us were planning and deciding which one to buy. Finally chose one for her. You can see how happy she was when she got hers. So my little princess got her princess balloon. Next we moved towards Japan. As we entered Japan, we saw Japanese cakes, and further ahead we saw these cute little Japanese dolls. Next we moved towards the game section. To play these games, you need to buy a separate card and you need to credit it. We played several games. One of them was basketball. This game goes this way. You'll be given 3 chances to put the ball in the net, and even if once the ball enters the net, you win a doll from here. I used to play basketball back in school and was giving my dad some tips on how you can make the ball fall inside the net. But fortunately or unfortunately, we didn't win this game. There was also a ghost house here which looked extremely scary. We stopped to watch this ride and you can see how scary it looks. I would never try this ride for sure. There was a beautiful fountain show also here. And here is our very own India. Next comes Iran. And Yemen. This was all about our outing. Hope you all enjoyed my today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm happy to know most of you love my videos and enjoy them. It's such a pleasure. Thank you for all your support up to now. Take care and see you in my next video.